Previous all videos will talk about how to construct a general information forms, right? General information collection. Now we'll go to conduct a quiz. How can we conduct a quiz? What is the difference? Everything will be same. Only thing we have to add up points and answer keys. How and we have to turn on one particular tool there to make it as a quiz. For example, we'll select a forms here in all Google products. Go to Google Forms. We'll create one blank. Okay, to make it as a quiz, for example, we will write it here as a quiz. Okay, quiz. Okay, we'll make it as a quiz. For example, to make it as a quiz, only one thing we have to do, that is nothing but in settings, we have to go to here, third option, quiz. Okay, quiz, we have to make it as a quiz. Okay, we have to turn on this, make this as a quiz, make this as a quiz, and the responses immediately after each submission, how much marks he have been scored immediately after submission, or later you will inform, you can select any of them. Okay, then missed question, respondent can see missed question, and current answers can be seen by the respondent, no, because he will share with others, no need to show the current answers, and point value to be shown to the respondent. Okay, then immediately after submission he will get to know about how much he has been scored, and missed question he will be get to know about which are the questions he have been missed. Okay, and this is about a setting for a quiz. And presentation you can do here, shuffle question order, as well as you can select a show progress bar. Confirmation message, as usual, you can write thank you, like that you can write confirmation message. And general settings like collect email address, and only one can respond. And he no, not to select this edit after submit, because once he has been edit, if you have selected this one, once he has selected a submitted a quiz, again he can edit back, so we not to permit that one while conducting a quiz. So this is about a setting side of the quiz. Okay, once you have been set all the detail about a quiz, okay, then we can start asking a question. Like first we may be collecting a basic information like a name. Okay, then we are adding a questions like start question, like question number 1. Okay, question 1, you are giving a 4 answers. Like simply I am giving a here, writing here, just to show how to conduct a quiz. We have given a 4 different answer to select, 4 different answer to select. Okay, then we have to make it as a required, to make it as a quiz, what we have to do, make it as a required. Then here answer key is there, you have to select answer key, and you have to give which is the correct answer, you have to select which one is the correct answer for your purpose. It will not be shown to the respondent, one who are taking the exam. These answers will not be shown to him, but for you, to evaluation purpose, it will help automatically, it will be evaluated if he gives a correct answer. This is the correct answer, I am saying that this is the correct answer. And how many points for that particular question? I say 2 points for this particular question, and say done. Okay, like this we can add one question. Okay, this right mark will be visual to me only, it will not be shown to the respondent. For example, again another question I will add, I will copy this one only. Okay, and I'm saying question number 2, and answer key, I'm saying this is not answer, this one is the answer, not this one. Okay, this one is the answer, 2 points, done. Again I will copy the question, same question I'm copying, question number 3. Okay, I may be saying a different answers I will give here for question number 3. Okay, then answer key. I think this is the answer for this one. This is the answer and only 1 point for this particular question. How much of a point you would like to give? You can type here points, 10 points, 5 points, 10 marks, 10, 15 marks, like that you can give the marks here and select done. So that here you can check total 5 points has been given for 3 questions. Like this you can create a n number of the questions and you can give the points and answer key. For example, preview how it will look. Okay, it will look like this. I have been given an email address, then name, given a name. I started selecting a question, answers, read a question, selected an answer. Okay, once I have been selected answer, we'll submit. He will get thank you, your score. It will be showing that which is the correct answer you have been given, which is the wrong answer has been given. Again, it will be recorded in your sheet also in a responses. You can check. Okay, how much they have been scored. Okay, here how much he has been scored out of that particular 5 marks. 2 marks has been scored when he has been given a test, and which email id he is used. Okay, which question wise how many of them responded correct. All this analysis you can do here, and you can generate a report also by selecting here download, or you can directly link to your Google Sheets. Again, the same, all the managements are same. Only thing is here in a setting we have to make it as a quiz. We have to make this as a quiz, and second thing is we have to enter the answer key and points required. These are the things we have to, these are the additional things we have to do to conduct a quiz in a Google form.